Tropic update is 9 p.m. PST, and Kiko is now a cat for hurricane, with CMS showing between 119 and 132 knots. And the AC wind was 125 knots. It's moving 265 by 8 knots, which is southwest, and it should continue westward through Thursday night as the cyclone is steered by a building subtropical ridge to its north and northwest. A turn toward the west-northwest is forecast on Friday as an upper level trough. North Hawaii begins to erode the western portion of the subtropical ridge, with this general motion then continuing through the weekend with a general increase in forward speed. There remains some along track and across track spread among the global malls. Also, the spread has decreased considerably during the last 24 hours. Pretty much, the models show Hawaii is definitely a threat, and waters during the short term is 26 to 27 degrees Celsius, influenced by mostly light Virgo wind shear throughout the 60 to 72 hours. So they expect it to remain very strong throughout the next 60 hours, then weakening as shear will increase. Um, yep. I mean, let's take a look at the latest track. As you can see, the track shows it's definitely heading toward Hawaii, which is in line with the models. A lot of them are showing right over Hawaii in about 6-7 days. GFS and Snivers also show right through Hawaii, which is utterly amazing. Next is Lorena, which is a hurricane, as um, let's see, 75 knot winds, but I expected the weekend to blow hurricane by 24 hours, then a tropical storm for landfall. Pretty much the same thinking as we had earlier for this system. Um, Here it is. It's going to start weakening in the next 12 hours, and it's going to move northeastward. Let's show a picture of our Keiko first. A brilliant looking storm. Almost forgot about showing the satellite image. So that's a picture of that. Now this is Loranda, which is near its peak, and it will be making landfall about in here. I'd show you. Uh, yep, make landfall 5 p.m. Friday, um, which is in line with the models, which pretty much weaken it really fast once inland. Um, yeah, very fast weakening. Now we're going to show you the Atlantic, which has a 40-80 during the next 2 to 7 days for our disturbance near the south southwest of the Cape Verde Islands. Um, Models have definitely turned westward for this system, and definitely show development of it. Um, Here's the ECMW F enablers, which a lot of them actually do threaten the lesser Antilles and Puerto Rico. And the GFS has actually also now takes it further to the west. I mean, the operation of GFS will shock you. Even by 126, it had 978, 180 as it actually does threaten the islands. 210, 951 mile just north of the islands. The ECMWF. So it's even, look at that. I mean, at 144. Wow. I mean, Icon, definitely south. Let's go to 180. It actually has two systems, for fuck's sake. I mean, let's go back to GFS. The new one's coming in, but we'll go with 18Z. Let's go to 264. And pretty much it's always 65 at this time. Let's go to 294. 939 millibars. Shit. 67. 260. Oh, wow. Look at that. Literally skirting the east coast of the United States. I mean, let's be honest. One of my analogs this season was for another 2011. I mean, I mean, and you know what that means, heading up the East Coast. I mean, that's. I mean, Tropical Hurricane Assistus. I mean, yeah, I mean, this could be actually be a threat to the United States. And the model is definitely, here's the CMC at 240, showing nearly the same position. Well, anyways, let's look at the GEFS. You got this trough, 312, you got the trough, but you also have this ridge building in this time frame off the East Coast, which could trap a system as you then pull to the north. So it is worth watching, and we'll have to see. Well, that's your tropical update.